Hello guys, so today is basically a tutorial on how to remove a AP1 from 2000 to 2003 Honda S2000 door panel. I'm just going to show you guys real quick. It's pretty easy. You're really just going to basically need a Phillips and a little flathead, anything really, to pry the little tabs right here that are going to be on the handle, which is very easy. This is the most easiest door panel you can remove on any car. Honestly, it's like very basic. The main thing gonna be, so I'm gonna show you guys where the screws are right now. So obviously there's gonna be one hidden under here, one hidden here, and then one on the door handle right here, right back there. I don't know if you can see. It's a little screw. Other than that, that's gonna be it. You don't have to remove this at all because this is connected to the door panel. I wouldn't recommend taking it off. You could, but I think it's glued on. But yeah, once you remove the door panel, you're gonna have to be very careful when you pull this, because there's gonna be obviously the switch under here, and you gotta unplug it. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, I'm basically gonna be showing you guys how to take apart most of this car. Very easy. Not gonna lie, it's pretty easy, other than a couple things there and there that are gonna be a little difficult. But since I don't know if you guys knew, but I just got hit rear-ended, so I'm taking apart this whole car. So right now, as you can see, almost the whole wrap is gone that was previously on there. So yeah, all right, before we get started. Okay, here we go. So yeah, just get anything really just to fit it in between here. Easily just comes off pretty easy. You can also use your nail if you have long nails, but I cut my nails, so so put this somewhere you won't lose it. I'm not sure how easy those are to replace. And then here's another one down here. Pretty easy, simple. Like that. And now we get our trusty Phillips. Okay, so the screw is gonna be right there, as you can see. Just gonna fit your Phillips and get that out. And then same with this one. You can see it right there. Pretty easy. So get just a regular Phillips and take them out. So yeah, there it is. Basically 2 screws, pretty simple. Very easy to take off that little handle, put it somewhere safely. After that, we're obviously just 1 screw under here. And let's do that. And then once you get the screw loose, all you have to do is pull on this side from this direction, like that. And then, yeah, that's it. To take this off, you gotta basically turn this. Let's see if it's really hard to do, huh? Turn like that and lift it upwards like that. Pretty simple. Don't force it. Pretty easy. One screw. After you get those 2 things off, now it should just come off. Now, how we pull it off, you can either just use your hand and basically grip under here. I'd start with, it doesn't matter which side you start with. I'd start with, I'm starting from the back right here, and just pull. Same with this side. There's gonna be a tab right here. Also, oh yeah, there's a tab right here. You can either just force it, but like it's just already coming off, so you don't have to use a flathead or nothing. So you can either do that, or it just comes off like that. But just make sure not to lose that. And then after that, you pull up. You pull up very slowly. Don't force it, like this. It's gonna pull upwards like this, and pull back, and then like that. And you see those 2 wires down there? That's basically the wires you're gonna unplug. So see where the tab is on this one. Tab is on the back side right here. For this gray one right here, as you can see right here. Back one right here. Just push it in and just pull. This is very hard with one hand. There you go. Same with this one. This one's gonna be on this side. I don't know if you guys can see, it's on this side. Push it and pull. There you go. After that, that's gonna be it, guys. So that's how to remove a AP1. I'm not sure if the AP2 is the same. I didn't actually search this up. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to remove this door panel, because it does look difficult, but it honestly isn't. This is the most basic and complex door panel removal that you guys can ever do on your car. So hope you guys like. I'm gonna do more videos on this, on how to remove everything on this car. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And for the passenger side, basically the same concept, literally the same concept, except just one wire, one clip, I mean. Other than that, same everything. Thank you guys for watching.